Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a video about Alien vs Predator toys. Both of these in plastic bags. So this is Alien, this one's Predator. I'll open this one first. This is very strongly wrapped. That's what it looks like in the back. Okay, let's open this up. And inside we have Alien. It says Alien right there. And then inside we have a mini book of Alien, about Alien. Yeah, so they said when you pull this lever, this happens. Oh yeah, this is very nice. Alright, and next up we have Predator. So this is what it looks like. This is orbs. So it's glow in the dark. See, this is the normal one, but I got the glow in the dark. Let's open this up. Inside we have the packaging. And here's Predator. So yeah, he looks really cool. It's clear, all covered in the green blood. Like the mouth. Yeah, it's Predator. Well, thanks guys for watching. Hope you subscribe, leave a like, and goodbye.